Hey guys, Liwem here. So today I'm going to be bringing another challenge. But before we jump in, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, all of that. And without any further ado, let's get started. So I will start reading the challenge. So in this challenge, you will determine whether a string is funny or not. It's also a string challenge like the previous one. So to determine whether a string is funny, create a copy of the string in reverse, AGABC, CVA, iterating through each string, compare the absolute difference in ask values of the characters at positions 0 and 1 and 2, and so on to the end. Okay, interesting. If the list of absolute differences is the same for both strings, they are funny. We have to compare the difference of characters' positions. Yeah, that's not very clear to me. Okay, in reverse and not reverse it, right? Let's see. Determine whether a give string is funny. If it is, return funny. Otherwise, return not funny. Okay. Example LMNOP. The ordinal values of the characters are 108, 109, 10, 11, 12, and reverse PO and ML. And the ordinals are 112. And the absolute difference to the adjacent elements for both strings are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the answer is funny. Okay. Function description. Complete the funny string function in the detail below. Funny string has the following parameter. String S, a string to test. String either funny or not funny, it's return. Input format, okay. The first line contains an integer k, the number of carries, number key lines, each contain a string s. K, it's between 1 and 10, okay. And the length of s, it's 2 until this. Okay, so we could pass like 10 strings, and but the length of this can be 10,000, right? Okay, so for this, for example, ACXZ and BCXZ, one is funny, the other one is not funny. Let's see. Let R be the reverse of S. So S and R, which is the reverse of this, corresponding X value of characters of the string 97, 99, 120, 122, 122, 120, 99, 97. For both the strings, the adjacent difference list is 2, 22, and 2. And this is funny. Okay, I thought that would be just if it was 1, 1, 1, but as it seems, it needs to be equal, right? The difference should be equal for both cases, reversed and non-reversed. Right. BCXZ, XZXCB, corresponding as values of characters of the string. The difference list for string S is 121, 2, and for string R is 221, 1. Then it's not funny. Um, okay, guys. Interesting. So, first off, we need to convert that into an array because it's easier to work with arrays in Swift. So let's use an array of s. Then we need to create the reversed array. That would be basically s array reversed. Let's put it like that too. Forced to use a character array. Same here. What else? Now we need to check the change. So the length of these two would be always the same. We don't even need to check that, but let's put a guard here. Why not? So this count should be equals to this count. Otherwise, it will just return not funny because it cannot be equal if it's not equal, right? It cannot be equal if it's not the same size. Cannot be equal if it's not equal, it's fine. Okay, so now what? And guys, keep hydrated. Um, always have a water with you or a drink of coffee. It's good enough. um, all right. So first we need to check. Let's have just return this. Let's put it on not funny here as well. And this is just to have a return, otherwise it will fail to build. But we should not reach here anyway. So let's start with for y of index from 1 until s array dot count. And now we need to compare the difference, right? So guard the difference of s array. Actually, um, we need to get the ASCII values of each of them, right? So first off, we need to guard let. I mean, we don't even need the characters, right? We can always do it like that. Like put an integer here, an integer here, and then from here we can map the let's call it char, just char, and do it like that, right? Or even not just map, but compact map, right? Sure. Let's do it like that. And then what we can do here is squared. Um, let's um, char int s char dot ascii value and an integer of it. Else return new. I mean, you can just return it directly like that, right? And you can even do it like that, I guess. Let's see, let's print. And here it's not just as array, it can be as S2 array and reverse array. And print this right here just to check if it's okay. What's wrong here? Git, what? Solution uint. Yeah, yeah, you can do it like that. So yeah, let's do the this way. Char. Mhm. So first part, let ASCII value would be equal to this. That would be just char here. Else, so return new. Otherwise, it would just return ASCII value. Okay, what else? New is not compatible with the closure result type int. Okay, but compact map should avoid this, right? Or it's another kind of map that I'm just forgetting about. Throw zero, flat map. Let's do it. Okay, you need to put it like that. Okay, yeah, this one, right? Okay, okay. Your output, probably not 20, 97, 99, 120, 122. Great, great. Okay, so now we have this and we have the reversed that we should also have here as well. Perfect. So now we should basically have the 4. So the difference 1 is equal to ask y minus That's right. That's y minus 1 absolute um, and the difference 2 should be y minus 1 y and y minus 1 should be this, right? So required difference it's equal to difference 2. Otherwise, return not funny. But if this passes, it will be funny. Okay. Um, 99. Yeah, it's the module, right? So it should be at higher one max around these two. That's lower one. It's the mean around these two. The same with the two right here in the reversed. So the difference is the higher one minus the lower one. And the difference two is lower two. So actually, we can put it like that if um, it's different than higher two minus lower two. Yeah, this then it should return not funny. We don't need this squared. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Let's see. Okay, it worked. Let's remove these prints. Let's remove this write your code here and submit. Okay, guys, we did it. That's great. Um, thank you guys for joining me on this, and I see you on the next one. Stay safe and bye bye.